Hey guys, this is lesson 5.6, addition, two-digit numbers, bridging hundreds. So we're going to be adding two-digit numbers together, and our sums or our answers are going to be in the hundreds. And we'll be using number lines. Let me zoom in here. Whoops. I don't know if I can. There we go. I can move myself around. Woo! Didn't know I could do that. Put myself right there. All right, let's zoom in. I don't know if I want to put myself there. I'll put myself there. Just want to be able to read everything. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. Okay, so Amy has $100 in savings. Does she have enough money to buy both of these items? And how did you decide? So we have a scooter for $70 and a skateboard for $42. Amy figures out the total cost on a number line. Before we look at the number line, though, we could do something called estimating, and we could just look at the two items. And I could take away the ones from the 42 and do 70 plus 40. So 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So I'm thinking she doesn't have enough money. But Amy figured it out on a number line. Let's use a different color. All right, so she started at 70 and she added the 4 tens of the 40 here because 40 has 4 tens, whoa, and 2 ones. So she added the tens, went 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. And then she added the ones, 110 to 112. So the total cost is $112. She does not have enough money. She would need $12 more, right? So down here, how could you use the number line to figure out 75 plus 34? So first we'll find 75. So 75 is going to be right there in between 75 and 80. And then 34 has 4 ones and 3 tens, which is 30. So let's add those tens first. So 75, 85, 95, 105. And we'll label those jumps on the number line. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. And then we add the 4 ones. So before we do that, I know that this is 115 right here. It's right in between, or sorry, not 115. What am I talking about? 105. 105 right here, because it's right in between 100 and 110. And then 106, 107, 108, 109. Okay, so if it helps you guys, mark those lines on the whole number line so that you make sure that your answer is accurate. Okay, so we need to add the 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a jump of plus 4. So now we've added 34 and we landed on 109. Right before 110. So 75 plus 34 equals 109. All right, let's do a couple more together. 80 plus 30. And notice here in your directions, guys, it says draw jumps on the number line to show your thinking. Even if you know this answer without using the number line, please show those jumps on the number line. I want to see that you're understanding it. And if you're not, let me know and I can help you. So we're going to start at 80 and then add 30. So here's 80, and we need to add 3 tens. So 3 jumps of 10. 90, 100, 110. So 80 plus 30 equals 110. I'm going to label those jumps on the number line. Plus 10. Okay, let's do one more together. How about, let's do this one. Letter D. Okay, and also it says figure out the total, show your thinking. Show your thinking on the number line. Don't leave those blank or I will send the assignment back to you. All right, so 27 plus 92. We need to start with the larger number, which is 92. So we'll use the turnaround fact, 92 plus 27. I'm going to mark some individual marks on here. 91, 92, 93, 94, there's 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And if you need to, keep going. Remember, there's 4 marks in between each of the marks that are already there. All right, so 92 right here. There we go. We're going to add 27. 27 has 7 ones and 2 10s. 27 is the same as 20 plus 7. That's the expanded form. So we need to add 2 10s. So 92, 102, 112. Okay, plus 10, plus 10, and then we need to add the 7 ones of 27. So we're at 112, and we have to add 7 ones. I'm going to do those individual marks here again. So 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122. I think that's good. Now let's add those 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that takes us to 119. So that's our jump of 7. And we landed on 119. Guys, please let me know if you need help with these number lines and we can do some extra meetings. Let's look at the step ahead. Write an equation that you think matches this number line. So look at the jumps that were made, where they started, where they ended up, and write an equation here that would match.